The default login URL for your admin account for your WordPress website is always your domain name /WP-admin, and everybody knows that. And that poses a great security threat to your account. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can hide your login URL. As you can see, if I still type in /WP-admin, I can visit my login page for these websites. So here is the login page. What I just need to do is to log into these accounts, and we're going to install a plugin that can help us change our URL. So while logged in, we can just come to plugins. So there are several plugins that we can use to hide our admin URL, but we're just going to be searching for hide login. Let's just search for hide login, and the one we're going to be using, I think it is WPS hide login or something like that. Yes, this is the one we're going to be using. Over 1 million active installations, and last updated 6 days ago as at the time of recording this video. Now we're going to click on install now, and we're going to activate the plugin. Now the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to see this plugin right here. So what we want to do now is to click on settings. So here is the option where we can change our login URL. To visit this page again some other time, you can just come to settings. You can come to general under the settings section. Now for the login URL, we're just going to choose something different. Maybe I'm going to, since I'm just going to use this text coin, and then anybody that enters WP-admin should be redirected to a 404 page, and then we're going to save changes. So the next thing we need to do now is to test and see whether this is working, because the settings we made has been saved successfully. It says settings saved. Now we're just going to copy the login URL, the former login URL, and we're going to come to a new browser. We're going to paste it here, and we're going to click on enter. So we're going to see whether it's going to redirect us to a 404 page. And as you can see, what we did just now is already working. Anybody that tries to log into our website using our old URL is going to be redirected to this 404 login page. Now, I don't really recommend using a new plugin to do this, like a standalone plugin to do this. If you want to learn how to just secure your website in full, you can watch a tutorial that I posted some months ago on how you can secure your WordPress website. And the plugin I used has all these features, and even it has it in the advanced level. So in case you're interested in securing your website completely, you can just click on the card above, or just click on the link in the description below, because I'm going to be linking the video down in the description, and then you can just watch the video and secure your website completely. So this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video.